Hi, good morning, guys of class 6. How are you all doing? Hope you had fun and enjoying your week. So, today is Thursday, and I guess the last videos which I gave on Tuesday was not so long or big, which was there. Actually, to be very honest, I was not feeling a bit well, but, anyways, now I'm fit and fine. So, we'll go ahead with it. I am not going to go slow. I'm not, sorry, I'm not going to go fast. Excuse me for that. I'll take it very slowly with you, as I tell you. The main thing is, see, children, the issue is whatever I share with you is for you to learn about the subject, history, not only question answers. Question answers any Tom, Dick, and Hardy can do, reading the chapter and solve the questions, but we don't come to know what are we dealing about it. I'll give you a small example, rather a live example. Is What about COVID 19, the pandemic? This is history, it's going to become history. The past lockdown days from March 25th is become history. I won't be surprised if it's going to be added in the SST history chapters after 10 years. So the children who are going to come in the next batch from who are in nursery right now or in upper KG or lower KG, they might come to see the pandemic as a chapter. It's going to become history. So actually we know everything right now. So after 10 years you will be somewhere, well, sky is the limit. You'll be reaching your destinations, you'll be reaching your goals, and so it's going to be history for you as well. You will be able to tell your children that this is what happened, this is history. So see how interesting it is. What all happened, how it happened. So we still don't know. Rather, you don't know. I know quite a lot about it. I have been going through papers, going through the net, and going through everything, trying to know about it. And this pandemic had happened once again before also. Is the basic thing is, guys, we have to be very careful about what happens. We don't take it seriously. Today I am also in Bihar. My city, Kolkata, is under lockdown. It's in a red zone. And in the past 24 hours, or I guess for 48 hours, Bihar has gone up to a total of 56 new fresh cases, which is very sad and as well as dangerous. So please be home and be safe. You don't want to be infected. It's not a joke. So we should take it very, very seriously. And it's just simple. Be at home with your family. That's all what you need is to do. You don't have to worry about anything. For studies, we are there, I am there, the school is there with you, and we are thinking about that. The whole world, the whole government, the whole of India is also thinking about children. So when the school opens, you won't be getting that full pile of work, that you have to do this within 10 days, 15 days. So they're thinking. So there are people in the think tanks thinking about what to do. Everybody has children. So children are the future of the country. If we are not able to keep you safe, where is the future? You are the future. And if the present also gets infected and everything goes down the drain, you guys are not ready. My future is not ready. And if the present goes down, what will we do? We'll go into a much more serious pandemic. We are ready to fight the war. We have guns, we have bullets, we have huge amount of high technique, missiles and bombs and whatnot. But we were not ready for the pandemic. We didn't know what's going to happen. Our doctors also were not ready. Our nurses were not ready. The medical section was not ready. We didn't know what to happen. We didn't have an antibiotic. We didn't have a vaccine for it. It happened. And see how it happens. No guns, no wars, no bombing, but you are inside the house. Lockdown. So it's quite serious, okay? So be home and be safe. And let's get back to the past, how people were hunting and gathering. I guess I was not very happy with my last video because I was not doing well, and But that too, I have put up some notes for you, and the pages which I'm going to go through is going to be with you. And good news is, from the next Tuesday class I'll be on the same page with you, so I'll be getting my books as the book sale has started. It was not there. I am following the NCERT syllabus. See guys, I want to tell you one thing is that class 6, basically history cannot change. The pandemic date, the lockdown dates will never change in history. Okay, so people will say it in different ways. History will be the same. Like, can you change your birthday date? No. Someone might say you were born at 3 o'clock, someone will say you were born at 5 o'clock, but the day has to be same, because it's gone down on paper and pen. That is finalized data, information. So people print it differently, give something differently. See, the news is always the same. If you have 2-3 newspapers with you in the same language, English or Hindi or whatever, you'll just go through that. The same thing is said, it is said in different ways. That's all. So if you come to know about it, actually what happens, if you know the actual issue, what's happening, then you won't have a problem at all. Okay, so that's a very good news. I'll be there. I'll be able to be with you on the same page from next class on Tuesday. So I'll just go through the basic notes which I shared with you, and see, I am able to share much more information with you rather than being in class, because we have a limited time there. Here also I am making videos of roundabout, I guess sometimes it's, my last video was very short, but generally it's about more than 18 minutes to 19 minutes. I don't want to put pressure that you have to sit, hold and put your earphones or whatever and listen to me like that. What's happening? What is he just doing? Blah 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 blah. It's not going inside us. So we'll do it part by part and slowly. I want you to get into it, start digging, become hungry for your history hunger, or whatever, any subject you do, you have to get hungry for it. If you're not hungry, you won't be able to eat. So okay, so it's like that. So I'll just continue where we were, and on that basis we'll start talking about it. Okay, so that's going to be like this way. I guess you have got this PDF file which I sent you about the chapter 2, from hunting, gathering to growing food. Like this, there was one small story on this caption which is there, that Tushar is a guy who was going from Delhi to Chennai for his cousin's wedding, and they were traveling by train, and he had managed to squeeze a window seat, which we generally want to have a window seat, either it's in the bus or in the car, or we are traveling anywhere. We always want to see the window seat. We want to explore, we want to see what's happening, right? So, and during childhood this happens more, but in my case, even now also, I prefer a window seat, so that I can look outside, instead of looking to the person who is sitting next to me or who I am with. It's better I look outside and try to learn and see and enjoy the creation of God which is everywhere around. And as he watched the trees and the houses pass by, fly past, his uncle tapped his shoulder and said, "Do you know that trains were first used about 150 years ago, and people began using buses a few decades later?" Tushar wondered, when people couldn't travel quickly from one place to another, did they spend their entire lives wherever they were born? Not quite. That's a very nice question which hit his mind. And actually, seriously, yes. So before 150 years ago, there were trains. It started actually. So, and after that, after the trains, the buses and all came in. So today he is there in a train only, and when you are on a high speed train, or the train, whatever speed it goes on, a basic 58 to 70 kilometers per hour. And when things very close to your window passes by, it goes very fast. You go like this, like this, like this, it goes. So it's like that, very fast. But the things far away, you can see for a longer time. It takes time for it to pass by, and you can see view, have a great view. So he was thinking, so this part of passing by, it's got a value. It's just not written because the trees and plants are passing in. Passing by is the time passing by, history. What was there before this? 150 years train has come. But how were people traveling from place to place? Were they traveling at this speed? No, because there were no trains. Were they able to travel quickly? No, they had to walk. They didn't have a motorcycle, they didn't have a bike, they didn't have an auto, they didn't have a bus, they didn't have a train, they didn't have aeroplanes. So it was a very huge question in his mind. how the people traveled, and was it quick? Did they just spend their entire life sitting in one place? That's a very good question which came up to his mind. So the earliest people, why were they on the move? Why they used to move from place to place? That's a very huge issue which we want to know and which we have got information. Okay, so that's the way it goes, and it has to happen that way, and we'll come to know much more in the details once I have the book. And you have seen me in school also. I don't go with the book, I just see what's there, and then generally I update it myself, and then I come out with my information what I have, and I share with you so that it becomes much more easier for you. So we'll just go ahead, and I'll come back in the next video, and we'll start this how they moved from place to place. Why were they on the move? Why were they on the move, in the sense, why is to move around? Why does a man move from this place to another place? Why do we go from here to there? For a betterment in life. Why do you go from why did you come from class 6, from 5 to class 6? Why? You could have stayed there. No, for you to get more better, to get more information, to see your studies have finished in class 5. There is no more in class 5 for you to learn. So you have to move to another place to get more information. Simply as that. That's the way history continues, and that's the way things happen, and that's the way things has to be. Okay, we have to move on. The show has to go on. In simple words, I explain it in a very simple way. I hope it's not a problem for you guys. And yes, at times we have to use our national language at times for some examples. I have also shared that with you, but that doesn't mean we are going to speak. I keep on speaking in English with you so that your English gets polished and you are always learning that subject English, because guys, today I understand it's our national language Hindi, we have to use it, we can use it everywhere, but is it only till there, or do we go outside that also? Corporate level are all using English. Whatever people are coming, they're using English. People from outside are coming into our country, we have to speak in the foreign language. So we have to learn that. And you guys are not bad at it. I know that. And I have talked to you guys, especially there are few guys in the class, Sunflower, Ayushi, Nidhi, Siddhi, and Divyanshu, and I have a few more names. I'm bad at names. I have the drummer boy, they are all, you all are very good. I have Nitin, I have Nitin's partner also, and we can speak, so you have to get into that culture, So during this, why is this online classes happening? You'll be thinking I'm wasting your time, but you know what, I like to get into things very much. I want you to understand the importance of it, and the importance of it is that, see, we learned till class 5. Now suppose we didn't have this online classes, suppose, just forget it. Because of any other reasons we couldn't have this online classes. I was not able to share my videos with you because, see, it's not even possible for me to check even if you are seeing or not. I cannot, and I won't do it, because I have faith in you guys. Once it started, you are going to follow it, irrespective of the fact what's happening on the other side of my video. I don't care. As long as I have faith in you, I'm sending my videos, you can watch. If you don't watch, I don't mind, because I have got nothing to lose. The person who's going to lose is you. Okay, I am going to keep on sharing whatever till I'm alive. I'll be sharing, because I'm not a teacher, I am a sharer. Becoming a teacher or being a teacher is a very big place to take care of. It's not a joke. So I like to be like a sharer and be much more closer to you guys and get inside your brain and make sure that you come to learn. Now, suppose whatever you have learned in class 5 and the way you were behaving in class 5, the quality which you had in class 5, suppose you stayed at home for so many days and you get out of that culture. What happens? You go to scratch zero. Virat Kohli, the way he was playing, or the other players, Dhoni and all, the way they were playing, suppose this lockdown happened, no games going on, no cricket is going on anywhere. They come down to play. Will they have that same form? They were not able to practice. Will they have that same form? No. So if you have something, keep on improving on it. Keep on. That's why I say, guys, we need progress. I don't want perfection. If you go one step up, perfection will get ready at the back of you. You go two steps up, perfection will be there on the first step. So perfection is not needed. If you do progress, perfection has to come. If you work hard, result has to be good. See a farmer on the field, he works hard in that sun and rain, and he's there waiting, taking care of his plants, and he waits, and when the harvest comes, see, the whole world eats. They supply, the whole world eats. Okay, so you have to respect yourself first. So if you respect yourself first, you respect your parents, respect yourself, automatically you'll respect others also. You don't, in my case it's okay, we are all get-togethers, so we are like that. So I'll never mind, because you're still learning. So every day is a learning. Okay, so I'll come back in the next video and we'll go into this. Why did this start, or why we are moving around till today? Like me, I was in Pune, I was in Bangalore, I was in Gujarat, I was in sometimes in Delhi, and then I was in Bengal, and then I went out of Bengal, inside Bengal, Kolkata, I went into Jharkhand, today I'm in Bihar. Why? Why do I move around? So that may be having a different reason for it. That's not because of only food. Food I can get anywhere I want. Wherever I work, I'm going to get food. But there may be reasons, separate reasons. So there were reasons during that time why people were moving around. Okay? Clear, guys? I'll come back in the next video.